Setting up your profile takes just a few easy steps, but this short process is extremely important because it gets your brain actively engaged in setting your goals for the school year. First, fill in the information about your school and terms. If you know your school's terms, great, but if not, just name your terms and accept the default dates. You can come back and change these anytime. This school has a midterm progress report in the middle of first trimester, so I'll add that now. Next, set up your courses. Don't forget to choose a color for each course. Then, decide if you're going to track your grades. If you decide to set grade goals, set a realistic, achievable goal for each course so that you can reach it and feel good. You can then raise your goal for the next marking period if you like. Learning how to set challenging but achievable goals is extremely important for school and for life. Add in great habits, like those Alta Ipsum helps you build, and success can be yours. Finally, add some notes about specific things you'll do to actually achieve those goals. If you decided not to track your grades, this is where you describe your personal goals for the period. As the school year goes on, come back and write down ideas you have about how you can improve. When you write your ideas down, especially somewhere you can refer to regularly, you are much more likely to be successful.